I'm beginning this style on stretched hair that's 100% dry. I'm going to be using 5 packs of the Outre Braid Babe in Ombre Orange. As you can see, I've parted my hair from ear to ear, and I'm going to begin parting off my braids. Now I parted a braid going toward the front. This is going to be mirrored on the opposite side as well. When I start my feeding braids, I started off with my hair only, and I do about 3 to 4 stitches. Then I add the hair onto my ring finger when I'm braiding forward. As you can see, it's very simple to braid it in. I do 2 crossovers and then I add the hair again to my middle finger. So I'm literally just braiding it in. It's really simple to do. And if you want a more in-depth, detailed tutorial for how to do that, you can click the I button. It's right here. So I'm using pomade in order to smooth my hair. And as you can see, every other braid is going to be a very skinny braid with only my hair. And I also add a little bit of gel on top of that. I'm using the Eco Styler gel and then just a edge pomade. Then I take a comb and I really work that in and just smooth it in. And then I begin to braid. Again, I do a couple of stitches with my real hair till the braid forms. When I'm doing the larger braids, I add it onto my pointer finger. And I'm just going to continue this method, and I do braid in the smaller skinny braids into the large braids. So here is another demonstration of me adding the hair, and I'll let you guys watch. As you can see, I'm adding it onto my pointer finger and then I'm just braiding it in. This is the finished look right here in the front, and now I'm going to do the back. I start off with a skinny braid and then I'm going to go ahead and braid the side portion. This is just easy for me to do it this order to make sure that I'm not grabbing hair from the ponytail. And as you can see, I'm doing 2 stitches and then I'm adding it onto my middle finger and then I just braid it into the hair. And if you can see, like when I put it on my middle finger, it automatically places the hair exactly where it needs to be in order for it to be seamless. And I just continue that method around the back. And then I separated the ends of my hair into 3 braids. This is just to make sure that it's not super big, and I also want my ponytail to be really full. I also fed in hair to make it long because I wanted it to be a fairly long ponytail and a thick braids. Not too thick, but just nice. And then I added foam mousse to my hair and I tied it down with a scarf. And this is the finished look. As you can see, you can wear this in a bun as well. It's a very cute hairstyle, pretty simple to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with another girl, and I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.